Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Alright. So, in previous period, dear students, we have talked about the grammar and some exercise from the textbook, unit number 2, the fisherman and the genie. Now, dear students, today we are going to complete the exercise in our notebook. So, please, I request you to open your English notebook. Okay. So today we are going to write down the questions and answers. Okay. So please open page number 17 of your textbook. Okay. Now dear students, let's see. Here we are on the question number C. Answer these questions. Okay. Answer these questions. Please mention it into your notebook. Put the lesson name properly. Put today's date. Now let's see the first question. For better understanding, I have made the separate printed sheet for you. Okay. So here I have mentioned the topic name also, the fisherman and the genie. Page number, from page number 17. And you have to write down these answers into your notebook. Alright, I hope you have opened your notebook and you have noted down the first question. So dear students, our first question is, what did the fisherman see on the lid of the jar? So our answer is, means fisherman ने jar के lid पर क्या देखा? So the answer is, the fisherman saw a strange mark on the lid of the jar. It looked like the seal of a king. Alright. The fisherman saw a strange mark on the lid of the jar. It looked like the seal of a king. Okay, let's move to the next question. Number 2, why did he take off the lid of the jar? Means fisherman ने lid of the jar ढक्कन क्यों निकाला? Why? So the answer is, the fisherman was curious about the jar. He wanted to know what was inside it. And out of curiosity, he took off the lid of the jar. Okay, I repeat the answer again. कि fisherman ने jar lid of the jar क्यों निकाला? Because the fisherman was curious about the jar. He wanted to know what was inside it. Fisherman जानने की उसकी इच्छा थी कि जार के अंदर में क्या है. And also he wanted to know what was inside it. And out of curiosity, उत्सुकतावश उसने he took off the lid of the jar. उसने जार का ढक्कन खोला. Okay. All right. Move to the next question. What came out of the jar? First, what came out of the jar first? सबसे पहले जार में से क्या निकला? So the answer is, a lot of thick smoke came out of the jar at first. What is the answer? The answer is, I repeat again, a lot of thick smoke came out of the jar at first. सबसे पहले बहुत सारा घना धुआं निकला. Okay, then move to the next. Number 4, what did it change into? जो धुआं निकला, the smoke, what did it change into means वो smoke किस में convert हुआ, किस में change हुआ? So the answer is, the smoke took the shape of a monstrous scary genie. I repeat again, the smoke took the shape of a monstrous scary genie. बहुत ही डरावना दैत्य के आकार का उसने रूप लिया, एक जीनी बना. ओके, द स्मोक टूक द शेप ऑफ अ मॉन्स्टर स्केरी जीनी. ऑलराइट, नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन. What did the genie's voice sound like? What did the genie's voice sound like? जीनी की वॉइस, उसका आवाज़ किस तरह से साउंड कर रहा था, कैसी आवाज़ आ रही थी? सो व्हेन ही वाज स्पीकिंग, द जीनी साउंडेड, हियर द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जीनी, सॉरी, ओके, GENIE, the genie sounded like a huge clap of thunder. The genie sounded like a huge clap of thunder. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood, you have heard and listened these questions and answer their answers. Please note down all these answers into your notebook. I will provide you the PDF file of these questions and answers, so you please go through it, okay, and note it down. Please note down into your notebook. Now let's move to the words meaning, match the pair. Okay, dear students, now move to the next question number D from the book, page number 17D. Okay, so please, we have to do this activity into our notebook. Listen carefully. Match the following words with their meanings. Okay, so all these words from column A are used in the story. Okay, now here in this side, column B, their meanings are given, so we have to match and we have to write their numbers here. Okay, so what is the first one is excited. What is the meaning of excited? So excited, very eager, very happy. So the happy and eager to know what he had caught means the fisherman was very excited and happy. Okay, so the option is D. So the meaning of, okay, so D is the excited, means D is not excited. We have to learn like this. Excited is happy and eager to know what he had caught. Now garbage, second garbage. Yes dear students, you everybody know very well, है ना, जो हमारे काम का नहीं होता, garbage. Yes, rubbish, things people don't need and throw away. हाँ, गंदी चीज़ें या ऐसी जो हमारी काम की चीज़ें नहीं होती, जिसे हम फेंक देते हैं. So the option is F. Okay, that is the garbage. Garbage, rubbish, things people don't need and throw away. Then curious. Yes, curious. किसी भी चीज़ को जानने की उत्सुकता होना. As the fisherman was very curious to know what was inside the jar, so eager to know what was in the jar. So curious here means eager to know what was in the jar. So option I is there. Then number 4, monstrous. Monstrous. Okay, so monstrous means yes, we just like a monster. Monster means बहुत ही बड़ा दैत्य, राक्षस, है ना, just like a monster, devil. So like a monster. So option H is here. Okay, like a monster. Crossed. Crossed with fear, as we have seen. As soon as the fisherman saw the genie, he crouched on the ground. So due to fear, bent down close to the ground in fear means घुटनों के बल जमीन पर डर के मारे बैठ जाना. That is the crouched. So the option is J. Okay, now fierce. Okay, fierce means बहुत ही तेज, very, बहुत गुस्से से. Okay, so fierce means डरा कर, बहुत ही तेज, गुस्से से. Means here we can see the option B is here, angry and frightening. Okay, so our answer is fierce means angry and frightening, डरावना. Century, yes, everybody knows. दिस इज वेल नोन वर्ड सेंचुरी, क्रिकेट में यूज होता है जनरली. यस, द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ 100 years. Okay, so the option is C. Century means 100 years. Then gigantic. Yes, again it is very huge, very big. So number 8, antique, a very big or huge. The option A is here. Then 9, copper vessel. Copper, yes, it's a metal. Copper is used in each and every house. It's a good conductor of heat and electricity. It's a bluish, sorry, it's a reddish brown metal. Yes, it's a reddish brown metal. ये लाल कलर का थोड़ा सा होता है, पूरा लाल नहीं होता, बट यस, आपने जो हमारे घर में तार होते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक वायर में के अंदर का जो तार होता है, दैट इज नथिंग बट मेड अप ऑफ कॉपर. ओके, सो रेडिश ब्राउन मेटल. एंड लीड इट इज अ ब्लूइश ग्रे metal. Okay, it is a bluish gray metal, E. So here we have matched all the words with their meanings. Dear students, I hope you have understood the question answers also, and please read and learn these words meanings and do study well. Thank you and have a nice day.